Hey everybody, it's day 2 and I'm leaving Farmington this morning. I stayed at a Airbnb here, as you saw in the last video. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Temperature, well, I didn't check, but I'm thinking about 75 degrees. The weather's beautiful, it's sunny, and I just got packed up here. Here we go. Well, mostly packed up. And I'm gonna grab some breakfast somewhere quick. I had some coffee already this morning but didn't eat. And then I hope to see Shiprock today. I'm not sure how close you can get or what kind of pictures I can take, but I'm gonna do my best there. And then eventually I'll end up in Tuba City. There it is, you can see Shiprock up ahead. Backing up to leave Shiprock here, I took pictures with my camera, my SLR, and then I took a few pictures with my my mobile phone, and then I thought I'd send them. And to my surprise, I had a great signal. You never know where you're going to get a good signal. 60. Four Corners is to the right, but they are closed due to COVID, so. Well, I made it to my hotel here. I'm at the Mancotti Legacy Inn, which is apparently part of the Hopi tribe. And it's 92 degrees and they got this beautiful looking pool out there. But unfortunately, it's closed due to COVID, so as perfect as it would be to use it, I guess it's not meant to be this time. And this is my room. So it's about 3:30 or so, and I'm beat. It was about 6 hours of riding. It wasn't that many miles. I'm not sure I have to figure that out, but you know, it was hot, and I took a lot of back roads and things. So anyway, I'm beat. I'm gonna rest a little bit and then go get some dinner.